Welcome to How It's Fixed. You remember we showed you guys repair of 2017 Hyundai Elantra? Couple people mentioned in the comments section that I didn't show properly how to open the bumper. We will show you how to open the front bumper for 2018 Hyundai Elantra. We'll show you the steps how it's opened. We will not go in deep detail. It's someone requested, so I'm making this video to show. So the first step always to open any bumper is to take out the clips underneath the bumper. So for this car, what we notice is that instead of putting the clips which comes here and in these holes or there, they have put the bolts. But this is not how the cases are usually. Underneath there are always clips, but again, the process is the same. You always open from the bottom in the beginning.
In the beginning.
So once the underneath part is done, you always open from the corners. In this case, since the car had an accident, so it's already coming apart. Okay. Now the very last part that you open it from the top. It has clips. There are no screws on top. It only has clips. So this car had an accident. That's the reason why we didn't get a chance to reach to a point where we open it from top. But long story short, you always open underneath, no matter whichever bumper it is. Then you open the corners, and then you open from the top. Thank you for watching How It's Fixed. Hope you learned something new today. If you see your friends running towards you and asking, can you do that? You can pretty much say, yeah. If you liked the video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe to How It's Fixed. Until next time, goodbye.